Hello, so welcome to Rightware booth. Rightware is a company that focuses on providing 3D and 2D UI creation tool, targeting especially application developers and device manufacturers. So we combine a tool that allows the application developers to very quickly put together a very good looking, smooth UI for their application, utilizing the power of the latest application processors with graphical processing unit in them. So unleashing the power of the Mali GPU, the Vivante GPU, Qualcomm Adreno platforms GPU. So the power of these processing units is being leveraged by using the Kanzi design tool that runs solely on the GPU, saving on power consumption and saving on CPU load. So this is one important area of Rightware's business and the main product line that we have. In addition to the Kanzi UI design tool, Rightware has extensive portfolio of benchmarking products that allow the general public and media to test how well mobile devices and tablets and even PC computers compare to one another in terms of graphics performance and general usability.
Okay.
If we look at a typically designed application example that has been done with Kanzi UI. Here's an example of it could be an online video store. So you have your video titles mapped into a 3D object, a cylinder or equivalent, and that allows you to get these effects of motion blur and so forth. When you go to the main list, you can have a catalog, a trajectory list with 3D effects yet again being used to render online catalogs, books, CD title, game covers, and provides the wow effect, something that would differentiate your application from your competitor's application. So this is Kanzi UI, available for free trial for application developers on Rightware's website.
Okay.
Then we have the benchmarking side, example of Benchmark ES 3.0 that will test the future devices that employ the powerful OpenGL ES 3.0 API. So there will be a free version available for consumers to download from.
When will be available?
This particular benchmark will be available around summer time frame when the first devices supporting OpenGL ES come out. But currently we already have several benchmarks available, including Benchmark Taji and Benchmark GUI that are free to download. This will run on your mobile device, producing very high loads on the GPU and producing a score that you can then use to compare your device to other devices using the Rightware's online power board list of performance results. Another product that we encourage application developers and the general consumers to use is BrowserMark, testing the performance of your device's browser. Here's a BrowserMark sequence running, currently testing CSS. You have to go to browsermark.rightware.com. Or you can just Google BrowserMark and go to Rightware test page. Database that I mentioned, you go to results.rightware.com and this will give you top 50 devices to compare. It will give you technical details of each device. I think it'll give you even driver version, what GPU, CPU combination is used, and it will list the top performing devices. And occasionally we even get devices listed here that are not public yet, so very powerful list to access the latest performance information.
Okay.